In this video, I am going to show you how to read reviews about the YouTube TV free trial. If you're considering signing up but want to learn from others' experiences, this guide will help you find trustworthy feedback. Let's get started. To read reviews about the YouTube TV free trial, start by visiting trusted review websites like Trustpilot, Reddit, or Consumer Affairs. Search for YouTube TV free trial reviews to find detailed feedback from real users. Pay attention to comments about the ease of sign-up, channel selection, streaming quality, and any issues with canceling before charges occur. You can also check out forums like Reddit's r/cordcutters or r/YouTube TV for honest discussions and personal experiences. Additionally, look for YouTube videos or blog posts reviewing the service. These often provide in-depth insights and tips. If this video helped you learn how to read reviews about the YouTube TV free trial, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.